there, welcome to another episode of Heartburn Helpers. With me as always is John. What are we talking about today?
Hey Alex. Today we are going to talk about things that you can do at home to prevent and relieve heartburn symptoms.
Let's start with something easier said than done, but often effective: adjusting your eating habits. Avoid large, heavy meals that can put pressure on your stomach, especially before bed. Instead, go for smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Check out our Heartburn Triggers video to learn more about certain foods that can cause heartburn.
Another thing you can do while you eat is take your time. There's no need to rush. Chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. This helps your digestive system work more efficiently and reduces the chances of heartburn kicking in.
If you are having heartburn at night, we have a classic remedy: good old gravity. Elevate the head of your bed by placing a few sturdy books or using bed risers. This slight tilt helps prevent stomach acid from creeping up while you're catching those Z's. Using pillows to prop yourself up doesn't work as well since they tend to move around as you sleep.
Another thing you can do is try to sleep on your left side. This keeps your stomach below your esophagus, which makes it harder for acid to make its way back up.
Mother Nature also has some tricks up her sleeve. Ginger and chamomile have been used for centuries to soothe digestion. Honey can also help. According to a study in the British Medical Journal, having just 1 teaspoon of honey each day provided some relief of heartburn symptoms.
And here's an easy one: chewing gum. Chewing gum stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize stomach acid. Plus, it keeps your mouth busy and your mind off the discomfort.
And remember, a few lifestyle adjustments can go a long way. An easy change is to just avoid tight-fitting clothes that put pressure on your abdomen, and try not to lie down right after a meal. Harder changes, like quitting smoking, drinking less, and maintaining a healthy weight, can also help reduce heartburn and lead to an overall improvement in your health.
Heartburn can happen to anyone, and finding the right solution may take a little bit of trial and error. So just be patient with yourself and keep exploring until you find what works best for you.
We're the Heartburn Helpers. We'll see you next time.